guys, I just whipped through a pile of Arbutus firewood, the Husqvarna 550 XP. This is a beautiful chainsaw, so if you want a good chainsaw, get one of these babies, lots of power. And it just cuts like a hot knife through butter. So I just bucked up this and then a few more rounds behind the woodshed there, just getting ready for next winter. Arbutus is extremely hard native wood, kind of like oak. It burns real hot and not much ash. So now I'm just going to split the bigger rounds here and then stack them in behind the woodshed. I got a mountain of wood back there for next winter. So anyway, that's an awesome chainsaw. Pretty impressive. I like that baby. Thanks for watching.